Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, lived a little pot-bellied pig named Percy. Percy was different from the other pigs because of his curly tail and his round, big belly. He was not happy with his looks, and he felt lonely, as he was always teased by the other pigs. One day, Percy met a wise old owl named Oliver, who lived in the nearby forest. "What's troubling you, little Percy?" asked Oliver, noticing Percy's sad face. "I am different, and I am not liked because of it," Percy replied, his eyes welling up with tears. "But dear Percy," said Oliver, "being different is what makes you special. Embrace your uniqueness, and let your beauty shine." Percy thought about what Oliver said and realized that he was right. He was different, but that didn't mean he was less valuable. From that day on, Percy started to appreciate himself and his unique features. He loved his curly tail and his round belly, and he was no longer afraid to be himself. His friends began to notice the change in Percy, and soon, they were drawn to his newfound confidence. They admired him for being brave and for embracing his differences. From then on, Percy was no longer lonely. He had friends who accepted him for who he was, and he was happy. And so, Percy lived happily ever after, spreading love and joy wherever he went. The end.